Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create highly professional images for your course without spending any money upfront. So here's how you do about that. Here is the website called Canva. You can go to nicktsai.com/Canva to get access to this tool. So all you have to do is you go to create a design. Then you want to click on custom dimensions. So for your image to be accepted by Udemy, you need the size is 755 plus 422, right? So you want to remember this size, then you want to click on create design. So then the next thing you want to do is you want to choose a template, right? So there are so many templates you can choose from, and you can just choose this one, or you can just choose whatever you like, right? So there are so many things you can choose from, and some of them are free, some of them are paid. So you can just make your decision here. So after we choose our template, the next thing we want to do is we want to change the text. So all we have to do is just we click on the text, then we can change it, right? Maybe how to lose weight. Things like that. Then the next thing we want to do, we want to change the photo. So you can go to photo and you can pick one here. And you can resize it. And if you have any images that you want to upload from your computer, you just go to upload and you just upload here. Click on upload and then your image will show here, right? Then all you have to do is you just drag and drop, right? And that's all, right? So it's really easy for you, right? So after everything is done, all we have to do is we want to click on the download button. Then we click on download. Then it will download it to your computer. So it's super easy to create your course image. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.